Hello everyone, welcome to the third video in this series where I try to explain every element on a periodic table. In this video, we will go over the elements 21 to 30, from Scandium to Zinc. To begin, we have Scandium, which is a soft and light metal that is used often in an alloy with aluminium. Scandium has a similar low density like aluminium, but it has a higher melting point, making this alloy perfect for aerospace manufacturing, bicycle frames, and stadium lights, though this metal is quite expensive. Next, we have titanium, a well-known and widely used metal for a good reason. Titanium is as strong as steel, but only around half its weight, making it the strongest lightweight metal. It is also resistant to both heat and corrosion, making this metal excellent for aircrafts, missiles, ship hulls, and even artificial joints. Another common use of titanium is in titanium 4 oxide, which is used to make white pigments for white paint and surprisingly sunscreen. Next, we have vanadium, a very strong metal most commonly used to make steel. Those vanadium steel alloys are then used to make machine parts, springs, and vehicles. Additionally, vanadium gallium is used to create highly conductive magnets, while vanadium oxide is used as a chemical catalyst and in ceramics. Next, we have chromium, a hard and shiny metal most notably used to make stainless steel, as this element is corrosion and rust resistant. This means that chromium is used to make stainless steel kitchenware and vehicle parts. Chromium makes rubies red and emeralds green, and chromium compounds give us more colors. Lead chromate gives us yellow paint, while chromium oxide gives us green paint. Next, we have manganese, not to be confused with magnesium. It is a hard metal mainly used in steel alloys because it is too brittle on its own. This element makes steel a lot stronger and resistant to impact and corrosion, making manganese steel excellent for railway tracks, prison bars, and safes. Manganese 4 oxide is used in batteries, while manganese 3 oxide is used in fertilizers. Next, we have iron, the most useful metal that has been used by humans since around 5,000 to 7,000 years ago. It makes up around 5.6% of the Earth's crust, making it the second most abundant metal after aluminium. It rusts quite easily, but around 90% of all metal being refined today involves iron, mostly in steel. It's used in almost any structure you can think of, and also in our blood to help carry oxygen. I'll make a separate video on iron next week, as there's so much to talk about this interesting material. Next, we have cobalt. It is a magnetic metal that also resists corrosion, which makes this element quite a nice fitting alloys. When alloyed with aluminium and nickel, it is used to make powerful magnets, and when alloyed with some other metals such as tungsten and chromium, it is used to make machine parts in engines, satellites, and some stainless steels. Cobalt is also found in the vitamin B12, while the radioactive cobalt-60 is used in cancer treatments. Next, we have nickel, which is also a magnetic metal that resists corrosion, and nickel alloys, as mentioned before, are used in stainless steels and powerful magnets. Nickel is also commonly used to make batteries and coins, and surprisingly, certain foods such as baked beans and peanuts actually contain some nickel. However, disappointingly, a US nickel is only 25% nickel, having copper covering the other 75%. Speaking of copper, it is a very conductive metal that was actually the first metal used by humans. When alloyed with zinc, bronze is created, which gave rise to the Bronze Age. It is also one of the most conductive metals, which makes copper fantastic for electrical wires, electronics, heaters, and in some musical instruments such as cymbals. Copper sulfate is used in agriculture to kill bacteria, fungi, and weeds. Lastly, we have zinc, which again is made into bronze when alloyed with copper. It is also one of the most corrosion-resistant metals, making it a great coating to put onto other metals such as iron to prevent rusting. Zinc oxide is a useful compound commonly used in plastic, batteries, cosmetics, and many others, while zinc sulfide glows under ultraviolet light, making it useful in fluorescent lights and TV screens. And there we have it. We finished with the elements 21 to 30. I hope all of you have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and good luck with everything.